Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your image upload issue in WordPress. First, go to your cPanel. Login. Once you have logged into your cPanel, and then go to the file manager. After that, go to the public HTML. Now click on WP content. Now go to the upload and then click on right click and then go to the permission, and then here make sure the permission is 755 and then click on change permission. After that, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now you can upload any image and there you go. So that's how you can fix your image upload issue. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.